How to connect Mobile Legends to TikTok? Here's how. On the lobby screen, locate your profile icon at the top left corner. Tap on it to access your profile page where you can see your game statistics, ranks, and settings. Now look for the Accounts option. Click on it to open the Accounts Center where you will see various logging and linking options. In the Accounts Center, locate the TikTok section. Select the TikTok account to begin the linking process. A new screen will appear asking for permission to connect with the TikTok, so tap Accept to continue. After tapping, you will be redirected to TikTok. If you are not already logged in, sign in to your TikTok account. TikTok will ask for permission to link with Mobile Legends. Click on the Continue to approve the connection. Once successfully linked, you will be redirected back to the Mobile Legends. In your account center, you will now see TikTok listed as a connected account. Finally, your Mobile Legends account is now connected to TikTok.